Hello everyone, myself Dr. Gyaminpreet Singh, Associate Professor, Department of Pharmacology at ISF College of Pharmacy, Moga, Punjab. Today, I will demonstrate the working principle and procedure of elevated plus maze apparatus. This apparatus is specifically designed for analyzing the anti-anxiety behavior in mice. So what is this apparatus? The main purpose of this apparatus is to test the stress relieving or anti-anxiety activity of any test drug or already existing marketed drug. This apparatus works on the principle of elevated or a height, because the experimental animals, rodents, they get fear when they are placed on a certain height, due to which their exploratory behavior as well as their activity ceases or reduces. In this apparatus, what we see, there are two open arms and two closed arms. The open arms and closed arms both have a length of 16 cm, a width of 5 cm, whereas the closed arms have a height of 12 cm each on each side. So, before describing the procedure, there are some important things to consider while performing this experiment. The experimental animal, in this case is mice, has to be placed in the center with the head facing towards the open arm. Once the animal is placed, immediately the stopwatch is started and the total duration of this experiment is 5 minutes. So there are two important parameters to be considered. One is the time spent in the open arm, these are the open arms, the percentage time spent in the open arm, and the percentage times and the number of entries in the open arm. So when a mice is placed in the center, it develops anxiety or fear or stress due to the height of this apparatus, and hence its activity in the open arm reduces and it tries to move in the closed arms. So this is the all principle of this apparatus. So now the procedure. The first step is to take the weight of the experimental animal, that is in this case is mice. Then in the second step, the animal is placed in the center and immediately stopwatch is started, and the total run time for this experiment is 5 minutes, cut-off time of this experiment. During this time, the animal tries to explore the open arm, but due to the fear of the height, animal does not explore much in the open arm and it tries to move in the closed arms where it feels secure or protected. Due to this, we can see a normal mice, the percentage time spent in both the open arms, whether this direction or the back side direction, reduces, as well as the number of entries in both the open arm also reduces. We calculate and note down these readings in a normal mice. Then in the fourth step, what we do, we administer the test drug. Let us in this case consider a drug diazepam, which is an anti-anxiety agent, at a dose of 2 mg per kg intraperitoneal route. After 30 minutes after injecting the diazepam drug, the same mice is again placed in the center and stopwatch started when total recording time for the various parameters is 5 minutes. Now again the percentage time spent in the open arm as well as the entries in the open arms are recorded and calculated. That means the calculation or the percentage change in the time spent in the open arm as well as the percentage or as well as the number of entries in the open arm are calculated before the animal is given any drug and after the animal is given a test agent or any drug. and this is how we determine or analyze or evaluate the efficacy or anti-anxiety potential of any test agent or any given drug. Any questions or suggestions for this experiment are welcome. Thanks for watching this video.